Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Tuesday, October 29th. Looking at the satellite imagery, the main feature, we have a closed upper level low in southern Idaho and a lot of moisture, as you can see in the water vapor, filtering north of that low into eastern and southeastern Idaho. And with that, we've had quite a bit of snowfall, not super heavy amounts, but the combination of the snow with strong northerly winds as an Arctic cold front has moved east of Idaho has brought very hazardous driving conditions to much of eastern Idaho this morning. And looking at the regional radar loop, we can see widespread snow along the interstate corridor, Interstate 84, extending east and then north and south along Interstate 15. There is snowfall occurring east of this area. We're getting some mountain blockage, but pretty widespread snow across all of southeast Idaho. It tapers off, not too much going on in the central mountains. Again, this is mainly a Eastern Magic Valley snake plate and then southern and eastern mountain events as we go through the morning. With that, we do have winter weather advisories through noon today across nearly all of eastern Idaho. Again, it extends throughout the Snake River Plain into the Eastern Magic Valley and all of the mountain areas. We expect some hazardous travel across all the interstates, southeast of Burley, Interstate 84, Interstate 86, east of Pocatello, and then generally north, I-15 all the way through Idaho Falls and U.S. Route 20 to Rexburg. And the southeast corner, especially the mountain passes, are going to have hazardous travel with a combination of snow and strong northerly wind gusts. So we do expect some blowing and drifting snow as well this morning with the very cold temperatures. And looking at the weather depiction, we see a surface low in northern Utah. And again, the snowfall mainly this morning is going to be the southern areas near the Utah border, up north through the Snake Plain, and then east to the Wyoming border. And again, this snow should begin to taper off after noon today. Additional snowfall amounts, again, we're looking at around a half inch to locally 2 inches in the Snake River Plain, additional accumulation, and that 1 to 2 inches extends south through Malad, east to Soda Springs. Could see 3 to 4 inches in the southeast corner, Bear Lake County, Montpelier area, and then much less as you head further north. And again, this snow will be accompanied with strong northerly winds as well, gusts in the 25 to 35 mile per hour range. So again, quite a bit of blowing and drifting snow as well this morning. Tomorrow, high pressure will be dry across the board. It will continue to be very cold, however. And then Friday or Thursday, it's going to be dry as well with high pressure dominating. So this morning's snow event is going to be the last of the significant precipitation for quite a while. As I said, here's some of the wind gusts we're expecting this morning. Again, many areas 25 to 35 miles per hour gusts. Again, Snake Plain extending south into the southern highlands. Again, that'll continue through this afternoon, some of those strong wind gusts. And then after 6 o'clock tonight, they'll begin to die off substantially. Again, looking at the cold temperatures, high temperatures today are going to be well below normal. Generally teens and 20s. There they are. Sorry about that. So again, mountains in the teens, generally Snake River Plain in the 20s. So a very cold day. Wednesday again, a bit of warming, but still most areas will be below freezing again on Wednesday. And then Halloween Day, we are expecting a bit of a warm up, still below normal, but temperatures getting closer to 40 in the Snake River Plain and even into the low 40s in some of the mountain areas. And then by Friday, Snake River Plain generally into the 40s for the most part, and the mountains as well, getting into the mid-30s to lower 40s. Overnight lows tonight are going to be extremely cold. Many areas will drop below zero. even in the Snake River Plain, single digits below zero to around zero. Some of the mountain valleys will get to 10 to 15 below zero overnight tonight. So we've had several record low temperatures this month, and we're going to have probably a couple more days of that. Thursday morning, again, a bit of a warm-up, but still extremely cold, single digits to low teens. And by Friday morning, we're going to start to see closer to normal, but still quite cold, single digits to mid-teens across the board. And as a quick look at the 8 to 14-day outlook, looks like we are going to start to see some warming. By this point, it looks like most of Idaho is going to be equal chances of above and below normal temperatures. So it does look like we're going to be continuing this warming trend into next week, out to 2 weeks, and also a much better chance of dry conditions below normal precipitation. So that will conclude today's briefing. Again, significant impacts with the snow, blowing snow, extremely cold temperatures. I did not mention we also do have a wind chill advisory in the northern part of our area near the Montana border, Upper Snake Islands, Island Park to DuBois. Could see some wind chills 20 to 25 below zero this morning with the strong northerly winds and the extremely cold temperatures. Thank you, and everyone have a nice day.